Not society, not even your past. Your freedom was taken quietly, by agreements you never remember signing. You traded silence for acceptance, and little by little, you learned which thoughts were too much, which dreams were unrealistic, which versions of you were inconvenient. So you edited yourself, lowered your voice, shrank your desires, not because someone forced you, but because resistance felt expansive. Freedom rarely disappears overnight. It's exchanged for comfort, for routine, for illusion of stability. The most dangerous thief of freedom doesn't arrive with chains. It's arrive with rewards, a salary, a role, a label that says, be grateful. And one day you realize you're free to choose, but only from the options you were trained to accept. The question isn't who took your freedom. The question is, what are you still willing to pay to avoid taking it back?